Hey guys, I'm making a quick video here. Macbook Pro, which has an expanded battery, so the touchpad doesn't work anymore. You can feel that it's lifted up above the actual body. So I got a pretty good deal on here from a friend. He just didn't want to, fix this. So I'm gonna take this apart real quick and then change the battery. I ordered the battery on eBay. I think it was like $20 from US seller. So the battery came with two screwdrivers to take this thing apart. From what I've been looking at, it's pretty easy to take apart. So I'm gonna basically undo these screws here. One of them popped out because the battery is expanded so far, and you'll see that when I take this apart. So there's four screws on this side, two in the middle, and then four additional on the other side. So I'm gonna take those apart real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so got the screws out. I really recommend placing the screws off to the side in the order that you took them out, because there are different sizes ones. As you can see, the ones on the top have longer screws that go all the way through. So let's take this off. As you can see, that batteries, I don't know if you can see it, but batteries expanded quite a bit. So next, you're gonna just lift up on this connector here for the battery. And then there's two screws here, one here and one, let's see, there's not a lot of light here, one here. It looks like when the battery expanded, it broke the plastic connector here, so it's kind of loose. After that, just peel up on this sticker. Once you do that, there's a tab here. There's not, I don't believe there's any glue, so you just pick this up. So I'll do that. So you're just gonna pull up on this tab at a 45-ish degree angle and slide that out, and out comes the battery. This is in really bad shape. As you can see, it's expanded. It's expanded quite a bit. It's supposed to be flat. Now I'm going to inspect this trackpad to make sure it still clicks. And it does, so that means hopefully there's no damage to the trackpad done. It looks like it did bend the tabs here, so I'm going to try to bend it back, otherwise it's going to be outside of the body. It's not going to be smooth flush against the body. Alrighty, so that was actually really easy. I just pushed in and these tabs basically went back to normal. It's almost like they knew that this could be a potential issue with this. So what it ended up doing is it just pushed this piece out and these tabs just flexed like they're supposed to. So that was really interesting. So yeah, that was a very easy fix. On the other side, I just pushed it, and it's all smooth now on the other side. And when I flip this over, I'll show you what I mean. And then this was the tab, broken tab. It just crumbled a million different pieces. So I just took the screw out of that one. That was on this side. That was the shorter one. So I got the battery here. Picked this up on eBay. You can find this on Amazon. I'll provide links in the description below for all the parts needed. So let's open this up from this anti-static bag here. Okay, I need two hands for this. Got it. Okay, so that's This is almost funny. This is almost a third or 2/3 of the size. This is crazy. I didn't think it would swell up that much, but this seems to have swelled up quite a bit. Look at this, guys. That's crazy. It's almost 30% bigger. That's insane. And look at all this, like, all that. All the cells expanding. This is completely flat. That's how it's supposed to be. Alright, so, let's see what this says. Yeah, you can tell that's generic. But I don't really care at this point. The other one didn't work at all. Wouldn't take a charge. Wouldn't turn on. So, we're gonna slide that in like that. Make sure the ribbon's out of the way here. Or not the ribbon, the plug. Actually, yeah, there we go. So I'll be able to plug that in there when I start putting the screws back in. So one long one for this side, I think. That opening looks a lot bigger on that side, or on the other one. So it looked like it wasn't gonna fit, but I think it's a security measure because you have to kind of push the screw through the plastic housing or the plastic tab here. I think that's for them to know like if you've installed the battery or not, because I guarantee it when we take it out, that hole is gonna look like there's a screw that was put through there. So if it's not pushing through, just push on it, have it go through this tab piece. When it hits the body of the MacBook, then you can start screwing that in. So I'm gonna plug this in. Hopefully no sparks or nothing blows up here. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna flip this over. I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna flip this over real quick. Just throw this on there so I don't short anything out on the bottom. I don't know if it has charge, but let's see. Oh yeah, let's go. That was a super fast fix. I think I started 10 minutes ago. And that's with like running around trying to find the battery and everything. Guys, I'm super excited. It looks like the battery is working. It's at 74%. Usually when lithium-ion batteries are shipped, they're at 75. So it's reading that accurately. So I'll fully drain this. I don't know if these have a battery memory or not. So I'm gonna just drain this fully and then recharge it up to the max. I'm gonna just plug this in to see if it works here. Oops. Come on. Oh. Probably help removing this. It looks like it is charging. Awesome. Well, I'm gonna put these screws back in. Like I said, just put them in order. Super easy to just redo the steps that we just did. And you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. It was a super easy fix. There's probably a million other videos out there, but Hopefully this helped. Thanks. Bye.